and welcome to How To channel. Today we'll be talking about how to turn your computer into a hotspot. That is how to turn your connected Wi-Fi in your computer into a hotspot, be it on a Mac or Windows. First thing first, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Click the start button or the search button. Once the search button, you go to the settings. Once you open the settings, you search for network and internet. Once the network and internet is open, you click the mobile hotspot. Once you click the mobile hotspot, turn it on. Once it is turned on, you scroll down, you can see where properties is written. Now this properties is showing the name of your system, the password, and the band that you needed to connect. Now you have turned your laptop into a mobile hotspot. You can now connect any device to the internet connected to your system, be it mobile, laptop or computer. Let me now connect to this mobile hotspot using my second computer. Now I'm on my second system. As you can see right now, looking at the cursor, you can see there is no internet or connection available. Now what do? I click it. It shows me the available network. Now you can see this is the desktop that we just turned into a mobile hotspot. Now I'll click it. It shows me to connect. Then connect. Now I have inputted the password. Now you can see I'm connected to the internet using the other system that I just turned into a mobile hotspot. Now let us open our browser to check if we can browse. Okay, youtube.com. Now you can see that it is now on. This is how you turn your computer, your laptop into a mobile hotspot with just these few steps. Thank you.